Yes.
Okay, so you see, this is teff. So this is the grain from which the injera is made of. It's a very, very fine kind of cereal, and this has to get ground. Yeah.
So that's already ground.
No. This is the seed.
What's it tiny?
It's very tiny, yeah. Very tiny. You can. Yeah, so this they mix the teff with sorghum, and this is what sorghum looks like. And sorghum, when it grows in the field, you may get confused with corn. Yeah, you'll see a lot of this when we go to the south, because the sorghum is one of the staple crops in the southern part. Yeah?
Sammy, what's the surface she's cooking on? What is
That
that?
is a clay plate.
Clay.
Which is called
Clay.
yeah. It's a clay plate. It's this, it needs to stay for a day before it's, prepared like this. Otherwise, you won't get the right taste of the injera. And it needs to be, fermented for, that.
Right.
So it means they put some yeast in it.
Now, does she have a grinder of her own?
No, they take it to
yeah,
like a miller house.
yeah. Miller.